And welcome back to Island Life Live. If you want factory direct flooring at unbeatable prices with a tremendous selection of hardwoods imported from every corner of the world, then look no further than Wisteria Lane. Joining me right now is Jay Ray. He's the general manager of Wisteria Lane. How's it, brother? How are you?
How's it, bro?
Welcome back to the show.
Thank you very much for having us.
Bro, I love this shirt. This is nice.
Just for tonight.
Well, thanks again for coming on board over here. Wisteria Lane, I see the sign every time I go put gas at Costco's. You guys are right there, right by Evie Lane. Tell us what makes you guys unique. Let's start there.
Locally owned. Majority of the ownership is woman. You know, locally Hawaiian girl and husband as well, and we just take true to our product, and we get you the best and for the best price. So it's basically that's what it's about.
I mean, we mentioned that at the top of the show, unbeatable prices. How do you guys work that out? Is there like a
well, we're factory owned, yeah. So what we do is we produce, and then we get it a lot, you know, at a convenient price, and then we resell it. So it's like we bring wholesale product, you know, prices to the table. It's the best product you can get. All the vinyl's 30 mil, so that it means that the wear layer is a lot stronger than anyone else's, and we have a stone core, so that's what makes us the best. And then we also provide you with moldings to match each floor.
Oh, very
So you're not running around trying to piecework, yeah.
So you guys are like that one-stop shop. We can just come see you guys.
Yeah.
And I like that the factory pricing. So you basically just eliminating like the distributor, the wholesale,
straight from us
and
to
the
you,
retailer.
to the public.
That's how you can save us all that money, which is super important, especially now. I mean, you know, it's been kind of tough financially. So anywhere we can get some great deals, we want to do that. You're kind of just alluding to what you guys call in your industry ATEC, right? Advanced technology.
Yeah, we have an ATEC that is the real woods right here. These are like real wood on top, 1 mil thickness, still holds appraisal value. You get the real wood effect and feeling on your feet and whatnot, and you get to have it for lesser than a price of the solid wood.
Wow.
So it's a big savings.
What's the one at the end? Because that looks a little bit thicker.
That actually is our new stair tread. And our stair tread is matched for each, you know, stair that you go, that's common, you know, the common stairs. You just cut them off and you fit them to each stair. Oh. So, and that way you don't have any overlapping or anything like that. A lot of people like to have it flush. And so we're testing that on our vinyl. That's the riser that goes up and down.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you said this is about 30 mil? So a little bit thicker, yeah?
Oh, the 30 mil is the wear layers, the strength.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the product. So it's a commercial grade.
So if
we
you
did
drop
L&L
something on top,
drive-in and whatnot. We've done in restaurants, hotels. It's the best. And we have a super sale right now for $289 a square foot.
Really?
Yeah. So it's crazy. It's usually $440 a square foot to be competitive, but we brought it down to $289 for the holidays and for you know, of course, what's going on in the world. We're trying to help everybody. So, you know, Lahaina and whatever. So we brought it down. Yeah.
For us, Kama'aina, I absolutely love that. What if we, I mean, because I know these are kind of like, these are actually beautiful, but what if we're looking for something that's custom? Do you guys do custom work as well?
Yeah, we can, whatever you want to come to us, we'll make it, you know, we'll put it in a special order. You know, we'll get it here in a container and we'll provide it for you to get moving with your projects.
Wow, I love that.
It's super awesome.
Well, how can we get a hold of you guys? I know, like I said, you know, you guys right there by Costco, the gas station.
842-7100. We're right behind the gas station, Wisteria Lane Flooring.
You the man. Jay Ray, thanks again for coming back, Brad. The general manager, he's the man, Wisteria Lane. Thanks again. Now we're going to send it over to Danielle Tucker. She's standing by with a look at our Pauhana traffic.